To draw this capybara, you're going to need a pencil, a pen and an eraser. Let's get started. So we're going to start off our capybara by doing a huge big oval shape in the centre of the page. This is just going to be the body. Doesn't have to be perfect, do it very lightly in pencil. Just do it quite heavily so that you can see it on camera. And remember, if at any point you find that I'm going too fast, hit pause and rewind. This is a special request from Darcy, who I had the pleasure of meeting the other day. So I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. And now for the head, which is a smaller oval shape. This one's to the right-hand side. So it's going to be, as you guessed, the head. Now we're going to join this oval shape to that oval shape by doing a curved line just here. And then another one underneath here. This is going to be the neck. Now for the ear, so just where this neck line joins the oval shape, we're going to be drawing a little circle or other oval shape just here. There we go. Now for the eye, they look a little bit cross sometimes, so kind of draw a straight line there and then a semicircle underneath. Just going to put in where the nose is going to be, just there. Now for the limbs, so I'm going to be drawing a triangle here. Just like so, and then a smaller triangle for the foot. And then another one just peeping out from behind here. This is going to be on the other side. There we go. So the capybara is actually the biggest rodent on Earth. Wow, it can be the size of a small dog. Can you imagine that? And they're closely related to the guinea pig. So they look like these giant guinea pigs. Okay, so we're doing another oval shape just down here. And then a line joining this oval to this oval. Now we're going to be doing the hind leg. So this comes down to about there. And then a curved line. There we go. Now for the other leg, which is basically curved line to there. And then goes along and then joins up here. Now I'm switching to pen, but please carry on in pencil. This is just so you can see it better on camera. So I'm going to start off with these very cute little ears. So we're going to be drawing a line going upwards like this. Another one coming back round. A line crossing that one. And then the outer part, which is a little bit wiggly like that. Now we're going to be drawing the eye. So just where we did the preparatory line, a line going across and then one going underneath. Going to be drawing another little line underneath that one there. And then I'm going to colour it in, leaving a little section white to show the reflection of the light. I'm now going to be drawing a couple of little dots around there and a few dots underneath. Now we're going to be drawing the shape of the head. So, comes round to there. When we get to the front, it goes straight down and inwards. And this is going to be the mouth area just here. Then we're drawing a line coming round and down like that. And now for some longer fur just here. I'm just using these dashes. There we go, like that. Now for the nose, so if you notice, the eyes, the ears and the nose are all on the top of the head because these animals are semi-aquatic, so they love to swim and they like to live near where there's lots of water to keep their skin nice and moist. Did you know that they can hold their breath for 5 minutes at a time underneath the water? There we go. So I'm drawing longer lines now to show the fur coming round just like so. So they're found in northern and central South America, and they typically live between 6 to 12 years. So we're following these guidelines down. I'm going to be doing the hind leg, like this. And because they love to swim, they've actually got partially webbed feet. So you can't see that too well in this drawing, but they have actually got slightly webbed feet there. And although they can swim really fast, they can actually run super fast. They can run up to 35 kilometers per hour to escape predators. So that is pretty fast. Now we're going to be drawing the tummy area, just using some little dashes as I go along until I hit the front limb. I'm just going to be doing a few dashes going upwards and down like that. Now for the other hind leg. Drawing these webbed feet. This one comes up around. Now for the front limbs, we're coming down here. And then the other digit. This comes up round. I'm going to draw some furry lines. And then it goes underneath the head. And then the front leg, this other one, is actually being lifted up. There we go. Now, if you haven't gone over it in pen, go over it in pen and erase all the pencil lines, except I've forgotten one thing, the other ear. Beg your pardon. There we go. Now you can erase it all. Okay, we're just going to add the finishing touches, like some shadow underneath the feet area, or the paws, I should say. A little bit over here, a little bit over here. Just lots of dashes horizontally. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of shadow just underneath here. Just around the back here. Underneath the tummy. A little bit underneath the chin here. A little bit in the ear and along the back. And then underneath here. And there we go, here's our finished capybara. If you've enjoyed this video, do check out this one. You're gonna absolutely love it. Thanks and see you in the next one. Bye bye.